When Kasa had the idea for the smart light bulb, do you think this happened? Well, actually, these are color-changing light bulbs, so it probably looked more like this. See? That is a really good idea. We should unbox this. What's up, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward, on TikTok as @DevinMHoward, and referred to when in trouble as Devinathan Mercutio Howard. Today we're going to be unboxing two amazing smart light bulbs from TP-Link. These multicolor bulbs have 16 million color options, adjustable color temperature to match natural light patterns. They have voice control, remote control, and so many other features. The people over at TP-Link had a bunch of really good ideas when they made these light bulbs. Wait, that's way too many. Too many. Make it stop. Make it stop. In addition to the fun and exciting color options these bring to the table, they also are a more energy efficient option with monitoring and scheduling so that you never have to worry about wasting energy at home. You can actually save money over time when you invest in these bulbs, which, if you ask me, is a really good idea. All right, let's just unbox this. Okay, we have two packs of light bulbs here, so let's get into it. We'll start off with this one. Oof, handling light bulbs for a clumsy person on a show like this feels very, very dangerous. But here we go. Here's one light bulb out of the box. Here's the second light bulb out of the box. And this is your setup guide. So simple. Now let's move on to this box. Okay, here we have your setup guide. Here's one light bulb. Here's another light bulb. And that's everything that comes in the box, so let's clean everything up and then we will get into the differences between these two sets of light bulbs and also all the ways that they can enhance your home. Okay, we have the bulbs out of their boxes and on display. Let's talk about them. If you want to add a little more flair to your apartment or home, look no further than these color-changing smart Wi-Fi light bulbs. Let's start off by talking about this 2-pack of bulbs. Now, the biggest difference between these two sets is that this one can go up to 1,000 lumens, while this one goes up to 800 lumens. The brighter set can be controlled from anywhere using the Kasa Smart app. If you're still out when it's getting dark and you want to turn the lights on in your home to deter any creepers from poking around, you can do that from your phone. Both sets of dimmable bulbs offer 16 million color options, so you can set the mood and tone of your home in a totally personalized and super simple way. Your light bulbs can automatically adjust color temperature to match natural light patterns from dawn to dusk, or you can set your own ideal color scheme by handpicking your favorite shades. If you're throwing a party, get wild with some pinks and greens, or to amp up the holiday spirit, throw up some blues and whites, or reds and greens, or if you just want to set a nice ambiance for a dinner party, get some warm whites to illuminate your space. Brightness can be totally adjusted as well, ranging from 1% to 100%. The possibilities with these really feel endless. Now, these bulbs take the guesswork out of your energy consumption. For you eco-conscious subscribers, you'll love that you can monitor real-time energy usage. You can also reduce the energy consumption without losing quality. And on top of that, you can use timers and schedules to prevent lights from staying on longer than they need to. Kasa Smart Light Bulbs use 60% less power than smart bulbs in standby mode, saving you money and energy. And if you do need a light on outside of your time settings, you can use your preferred smart assistant to turn them on hands-free. I personally have color-changing smart bulbs in my apartment and I'm obsessed with them. They really are a game changer and I have so much fun making them hot pink or bright blue whenever I have friends over. Alright, you guys, if you want to add some color to your home, shop the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys!